So as people started approaching me for requesting me to give them healing, I found that the problems that people were bringing to me, the health problems that they were bringing to me, became progressively more complex. And so I tried to find ways of reading the energies that were at work within the body. And to my surprise, I quite often found energy patterns inside people's bodies that were, shall we say, not human. They related to energy frequencies that were not of existence within the solar system. So basically people were carrying around implants with them which were causing them health problems. So it led me into investigating what these particular implants were, where they originated, how they originated, and what kind of problems they were causing for people. And so over the years it's really been a question of looking at whatever the problems people have brought to me and trying to find an answer for them.
What do these implants look like? Could you take a photograph or x-ray of them or something like that?
No, unfortunately not. These are, again, energy implants. So I mean, for example, I know there's somebody in the States who's got his collection of metal objects that he claims to have taken out of people's bodies, and they cannot be so-called alien implants because the energy patterns that these aliens are made from and the technologies they use are entirely different basis to the ones that humans use. And therefore implants are essentially an energy pattern and not a solid object as we would see a solid object. So basically these implants do have a form and a shape which vary considerably. It depends on the type of implant, the race that actually manufactured them, and what the implant is intended to be used for. Now, a lot of people took these implants on quite deliberately at the time of Atlantis, for example, but a lot of people have had these implanted without their knowledge and against their will, and that is really not a good thing.
I'd like to read the written presentation that I prepared and submitted to the committee. I, with my surgical team of medical specialists, performed 16 surgeries for the removal of foreign objects from those individuals who allege alien abduction. The 16 cases involved the removal of 17 separate and distinct objects. One of these objects turned out to be a small run of ceramic-like glass, which was manufactured by Dow Corning Industries. Dow Corning Industries. Dow Corning Industries. Dow Corning Industries. Dow Corning Industries.